Hello students, welcome to the Digi classes of Christchurch Convent Gadawara. I am Deepak Kaurab, your English teacher. Today we will do the exercises of your grammar book PC Rens of class 6th. So students, open your chapter number 3, nouns number. I had already uploaded a explanation video on this topic nouns number. First you watch that video, then you can easily perform the exercises that are given in your English grammar book. So let me define singular number and plural number. Singular numbers are the noun which points a single person or thing, and plural number are those nouns which points more than one person or thing. So let's do exercise first. Underline the nouns in these sentences. State whether the noun is singular or plural. So what you have to do? You have to underline the noun form given in these sentences and also have to name them, that whether that noun is singular or a plural noun. First one, the boys are writing in copybooks. So here boys and copybooks are plural nouns. Second one, a little girl is playing with her friends. Here girl is singular and friends is plural. I repeat, girl is singular and friends is plural. Third one, cows give milk. Here cows is plural and milk is singular. I repeat, here cow is plural and milk is singular. Fourth one, there are many houses in this street. So here houses is plural and street is singular. Fifth one, there are 5 cups on the table. So here cups is plural and table is singular. I repeat, cups is plural and table is singular. Sixth one, the room has 4 walls and 2 doors. Here room is singular, walls is plural, doors is also plural. I repeat, room is singular, walls is plural and doors is also plural. Seventh one, all the ink pots are new. So here ink pots is plural. Eighth one, I have 3 balls but only 2 bats. So here balls and bats both are plural. I repeat, balls and bats both are plural. Ninth one, there are 7 days in a week. So here days is plural and week is singular. Then 10th, the book has 64 pages. Here book is singular and pages is plural. I repeat, book is singular and pages is plural. Exercise 2. Write the plural of each of the following. So in this exercise, you have to write the plurals of singular nouns. Let's see. Baby, babies, branch, branches, bush, bushes, wolf, wolves, army, armies, loaf, loaves, goose, geese, face, faces, wife, wives, child, children, fox, foxes, buffalo, buffaloes. If you watch the video that I had uploaded, you can easily make the plurals of noun forms. Okay, so first you watch that video, then do these exercises. Exercise third, put a tick to the correct sentences and cross out wrong ones. So what you have to do, if the sentence is correct, so tick it, and if it is incorrect, so cross it in the brackets that are given in your book. Where are the scissors? So this is a correct sentence, so take it. Give my pant. It is also a correct sentence, take it. They saw three deer. This is also a correct sentence because the plural form of deer is deer only. Okay, and scissors always written in the plural form. Okay, the word scissors is always used in plural. Okay, the news is true. News is also written as plural everywhere. Okay, so it is also a correct sentence. Physics, it is not physics. Okay, so physics is an interesting subject. It is also a correct sentence because physics is also written as plural form everywhere. Okay, now sixth one and the last one. All the furniture of my house are made of wood. This is this is an incorrect sentence because all is basically used to indicate so many nouns. Okay, all it means many, a lot of. Okay, that's why we have to use plural form. Okay, that's why furniture is a singular form. That's why it is a wrong sentence because all indicates plural noun. So we have to write furnitures. All the furnitures of my house are made of wood. This is the correct sentence. So it is the end of your exercises given in your English grammar book. Chapter number 3 is finished. Thank you.